I'm painting it. This car was never supposed to be like a professional, like, showroom restoration. It was just trying to get the thing on the road and enjoy it, so that's what it is. So I got a Mustang here that I've been staring at for probably 2 years, 2.5 years. This Mustang I've been kind of procrastinating. No, I haven't been kind of procrastinating. I've been procrastinating for probably 2.5 years to get the thing done. And it's been sitting, and when I first got it, I did a bunch of work to it. I painted it, I put the vinyl top on, new tires, got the seats half covered. And then I kind of lost interest and it just sat. So today, I'm going to bring it in the garage, gonna go around it. I think for me to get motivated again, I was never happy with the paint job. And I'm not a painter, but I was never happy with it. And then I kind of got bummed out, and I think that's what kind of stopped me from pushing forward. So what I'm thinking, which may change, I'm thinking I'm going to have to paint it, kind of get back in the groove. Seems like a lot of crazy work to do just to get motivated, but it's been over 2 years, so nothing else has worked. And if I have to paint it again, I'll be able to fix a few of the things that I wasn't happy with. And already it's been giving me problems because it's stuck. I got myself here, and I got no way to push it in the garage. I was able to pull it this far and then get the four-wheeler out, but now it's stuck. I'm gonna have to take off most of this, lift the hood, and then I can put like a tire there or something or whatever, just right on the rad support, and push it in. We're outside. I can show you kind of the paint. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but I'm just not too happy. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like there's pinholes, and the doors got all chipped up because I got impatient and put them on before it was dry. You can see like a dent here, and then there's a few cracks. So it looks decent from a distance, but once you get up close to it, and here you can see it's not quite right. The finish on it's, for someone who's not a painter, it's not bad, but I think I can do better. I think I'm going to take the front of the car off so I can push it in. Oh, I actually put a bolt in this side. Whew. else did I put on halfway here? Well, isn't this something? Oh. I guess I'm painting it. So that cord I cut, that was holding the transmission up, that's now laying on the ground. This is lifting the transmission, but man. Hold it up or bend that bracket. Come on. Okay. It's in. I don't even know what I should do first. If I just go right to the paint work or... No idea. Part of me though even wants to take that motor back out. Pretty much redo everything that I've done, I guess. They're doing a roof over there today and they're just playing the worst music. So metal wise, it's in good shape. Like I didn't have to do any amount of like rust repair or anything, but I did everything kind of, you know, halfway like I normally do. So the wrong hardware, missing hardware. The top's on, and this has been in the sun, like I said, 2.5 years. Not covered, not protected. Didn't use the right glue, and it looks great. So on the back, there's a few spots, like down here, the paint's kind of coming off a bit. You know, body gaps aren't good. But the majority of the car is pretty good. You can see on that door, or maybe you can't, but the side of that door, just the finish of it is not very good. And I'm just not happy with it. And I think I was in kind of a rush. Like I kind of painted it one day, started bolting things back together the next, and it just, you know, paint wasn't really hard. In here it's all good. All the parts I need full of primer and paint because I didn't clean it up first. This car was never supposed to be like a professional, like, showroom restoration. It was just trying to get the thing on the road and enjoy it, so that's what it is. I'm definitely paying the price of procrastination now because I'm gonna wind up redoing a whole bunch of stuff that I already did, but that's life. So what I'm thinking, to get myself back into it, I'm gonna start sanding, doing body work, either right here, or I might even get some like 2x10s or whatever and put them on the driveway just right here so I can kind of roll it in and out somewhat easy. Sand it, get it ready to paint. Right now we're spring, so the weather right now, it's not good enough to paint outside, but within the next couple weeks. It should be. All I need is one 15 to 20 degree day, and or two, I guess, because I'll probably paint the body one day. Or actually, I'll probably paint like fenders, doors, that type of thing one day, and then like the body of the car the next. So a couple good days, and we'll get it done. I did a little test sand in this spot here, and I mean, it was a super light sand with 600, and orange peel's gone, and there's a nice base there to start again. So aside from the dents and cracks and things like that I gotta fix, most of it should just be that. So that's good. Okay, we'll start taking all this back off again. Alright, got those back out. I only put half the bolts in that I was supposed to, so shouldn't take that long here. We're gonna come off first or what? No. Love it. No way. Come on. There. Only a bit of paint come off there. I'm thinking that was probably like a wet spot. Like I definitely rushed this, so I'm thinking that was maybe a little wet and no adhesion. Ooh. Got a few things off the car now, but I think now, I don't want to, but I think I'm gonna push it out, spin it around, and pull it in. Because the front of the car is kind of a pain. There's actually two reasons. One, the front of the car is a pain to push with the four-wheeler. The back of the car is flat. And I'll probably pull the motor and transmission with an engine hoist that I'd like to have sitting on the concrete so I can kind of push the car out so the front wheels are at the edge of the garage, lift the motor, push the car away, and pull the motor in. Right now, the engine hoist would be in the gravel, and the car has nowhere to go to back up. So I'll grab the four-wheeler, spin her around. This is a spot that I put in some work and got it pretty nice. I'm getting rid of this pinstripe to potentially do it later, but just to get rid of the paint line. And then you can see up here all the, you know, spots. It's pretty fun. Quite a bit of sand in here, so I'll show you what I got done. So the hood, it's taken down. I don't want to repaint the black, I only want to repaint the white, the new color. So black's just scuffed. I'll have to do a few touch-ups, like here, but for the most part, clear coat and it's fine. All back here, that's all sanded, blocked, so like it was very faint, but it was enough that I didn't like it, so I got most of that out. Up here, there was a little crack in the paint here, so that's feathered out. This was a piece that kind of fell off, so that should be fine. So next, we got a bunch of snow last night, so it won't be today, but in the next couple days it's gonna warm up, the snow will be gone. And I like to push this thing like outside and then go around the whole thing, maybe even pressure wash it, because a lot of it's sat for a while, so like it's all dusty, sandy, grass clippings, whatever. So before I attempt to paint this thing, I'd like to pressure wash it off, wet sand the rest, the other side of the car, and yeah, I guess that's it. I have the doors and everything, fenders off this car, so like I'm gonna paint the body, so what you see here, that's only like half the paint job. The rest is the doors, the fenders, underneath the hood, that front piece there, that top piece for the windshield wipers. I haven't decided if I'm going to take the trunk lid off yet or not. I might kind of paint it like, I might leave it on, but I might kind of, I don't know. I might kind of, I don't know if I should take it off or not. I was thinking what I could do, kind of leave it up like this, and then paint what I can see, paint in here, and then close it, and then paint the top, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But for now, I think that's all you're going to see me do on this video. And the next one, I'm not sure quite what it'll be yet, but probably what I said, push it out, sand it off, clean it, and go from there. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Later.